This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan without eggs. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a can of sweetened condensed milk, a can of evaporated milk, and about 1/4 cup of cornstarch or agar-agar powder. Don't forget a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that authentic taste. This method ensures a smooth, delicious flan without any eggy flavor, perfect for those with dietary restrictions or simply seeking a different texture. Next, let's create that beautiful caramel topping. In a small saucepan, melt about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar over medium heat. Watch it carefully, swirling the pan gently as it melts to prevent burning. Once it turns a rich amber color, immediately pour the hot caramel into your chosen flan mold. Be quick, as it hardens fast, forming a delicious base for your flan. Now for the flan base. In a separate saucepan, combine the sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, cornstarch, and vanilla extract. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until smooth. Place the pan over medium heat and continue whisking constantly until the mixture thickens to a custard-like consistency. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once thickened, carefully pour it over the cooled caramel in your mold. Finally, the waiting game. Cover your flan and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set completely. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges of the mold, then invert it onto a serving plate. The caramel will beautifully cascade over the flan. For more great kitchen tips and deals, check the description below for links, including one for the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.